Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombiebargainhunter, and today we're going to be doing the top 20 most expensive Disney plush that have sold recently on eBay. I didn't include like the Douglas makes some Disney plush. I believe Applause does. I know Ty does. I didn't include all the off-brands. I just included like the Disney World, the Disney stores, the main Disney, not when they go and sell off of when they go and sell their likeness to a different company and they make it like there's a huge Simba plush that goes for like $800. I didn't include that because that's made by Douglas, so I didn't include all of those. But anyways, Disney or Mickey started in or was created in 1928. Uh, the first plush, however, of Mickey wasn't created till 1930, 2 years later, by a woman named Charlotte. I believe Walt commissioned her way back when. But anyways, enough jibber jabber. Let's get into the top 20. Alright, the first one. The first one is actually surprising to me. This is Disney Bolt Valentine's Day plush. I've had a bunch of bolts, and they don't go for that much. They go for the highest one I've ever sold is $50, so I've never got anywhere near $310. So this one must be a very special one. As I said, I've sold a ton of bolts, but never at this price point or even close to it. You can see it has the Disneyland tag, made for Walt Disney World, and it sold for best offer at $310 plus $510 shipping. So good price on Disney bolts, so make sure you look them up. The second one, or I should say number 19, because that was number 20. This is rare Disney Park, huge. This is 31-inch Figment, the purple dragon. I've sold Figments for over $100 before. The ones I sold, they were like really tight, like more of the arcade type plush where they're just super like dense. They have the styrofoam pellets. So those are one of the few I've found of him. This one looks really soft and really cuddly. Not like the normal the old Figments I've ever had. But yeah, this one really looks super soft and more like a pillow. And he's sleeping. He sold for best offer of $299.95 plus $16.10 on in shipping. All right, next one. This is Disney Star Wars Ewok Celebration Basket, 2015 from Ramba. Is that Roomba or Ramba? I don't know. I have no idea. I've never seen this. Yeah, this is the first time. I was shocked when I saw this. I don't remember seeing it. I think I have him by himself. I just found him in a bag of plush, but never seen this basket complete like this. Oh, really cool. This one sold for $299. No offer on that, and $19.99 shipping. Take a look at the. There's like a pink and blue one. There's a lot of crazy Ewoks in this basket. All right, what's next? The Lost Boys plush set. These by themselves can go up to like $75, $80 a piece just by themselves. So if you ever find them, make sure you pick them up. See there, this one actually has tag. It says there's the Peter Pan tag right there. Let's see if I can see them individually. Yeah, they have them all individually, so they're really cool. So make sure you look for them. Is that guy? I don't know their name, so that's Nibs. That's Chubby, so or Cubby, right? Cubby. Oh, I don't know why I always call him Chubby. I guess because he's the chubby one. But I always do that. I've done that all my life since I watched the program or the movie. Anyways, this one sold, the set sold for $300 plus $20 shipping. Toy Story collection. This is Mr. Pricklepants, new sealed in box. I didn't even know they sold something like this. I've seen him individually. I don't know how much he goes individually, but I will for sure look him up next time I find him individually. But yeah, this is a set. There's the full set. Let's see. Greatest actor of our time. Features theater stage playbox from Toy Story. This one sold for $330 plus 450 shipping. This is a large Mickey Mouse. This is Steamboat Willie. Steamboat Willie is huge. If you ever see a black and white and silver one, make sure you look them up. They can go for very good money always. This is 75th anniversary, 2 of 270. So I guess this is a limited edition. See, there's a close-up of his foot. Yeah, there's 2 of 270, 1928 Disney's milestone. So if you ever run across this, be sure to pick it up. He sold for $325 best offer and $30 shipping, and there's actually flaws on them, so you can get this. You can probably sell them up to like $500 without the flaws. This is Molly Cunningham from Tailspin. Tailspin's just a little cartoon on the Disney. It was on the Disney Channel. I don't know if it's still running. I don't know if they made another like spin-off from it or not. I can't get closer to it. They didn't enable the close or the magnifying of it, but it has the Tailspin tag, and it's one of the girls. All the Tailspin plush are very valuable, so always look them up. This one, she sold for $349 with $19.95 shipping. This is a Disney. This is the 90th birthday celebration, brand new with tags. Not sure if these were limited or not, but I'm guessing they were, because why else would they sell this high if they weren't limited? See, there's Minnie Mouse with the balloons in her head, and they all have, of course, the patch on their feet, which Disney does a lot of that lately for authenticity. I'm trying to get a good close-up of the feet because it's different than the rest of them. So, that's about as close as I can get. Anyways, this set sold for $385 with free shipping. The next one, this is another Mickey Mouse celebration. This is the 75th anniversary milestone, 1 of 440. So there's a bunch of different milestones, and they still sell for good money. I guess because they're so limited, people just want them. Everybody wants one of these guys in their collection. And this is 1 of 440, so I would expect that to go way higher than, best offer $375 plus $30 shipping. But yeah, here is this, and number 1 of 440. Having number 1 is pretty crazy. I might have held off on this guy and sold him way higher. But hey, they took their money and ran. This is the Disney Mickey Mouse Memories Complete Set. This guy alone, this Steamboat Willie one, I sold him alone. I think it's been about 5-6 years. When did it come out? I don't remember the year, but when they started selling these, I scooped up a ton of them at the Disney store. I waited in line overnight for a bunch of them before, but this guy right here alone, I sold for $450. He's my biggest plush that I've ever sold, or the largest, most expensive plush that I ever sold. But this is all 12 months of Mickey. So if you ever see any of these guys, A lot of the newer ones don't go for a lot. If you've seen some of mine that have sold, they go around $30-$35. But some of the older ones, like I said, I don't know what he's priced at now or what he can sell for now, but the last one I sold to him, I sold for $450. But yeah, here's the complete set with the tags, which is crazy. I think she sold this, or he sold it too low. Especially one I sold higher than this. But anyways, the whole set sold for $400.55 with $39.90 shipping. That's probably why it sold for probably sold super fast. Stitch crashes. This is the same thing as the Mickey ones that I just showed you, the Mickey memories. They put out one every single month. I almost got into this, but I just thought they were so ugly. You see, there's I think that's the Snow White version, and I just thought they were hideous. I'm sorry. I didn't think they were gonna sell. There's the Moana one. You can see like he has a pineapple on him. I really didn't think they were gonna sell, so I did not go out and make an effort to get them. You see, that has like pepperoni on it. I think that's Lady and the Tramp. He crashes into the spaghetti, and yeah, they were just odd to me. So what is that? The Pinocchio one. Anyways, this set sold for $475. Disney Park, Splash Mountain, Brer Rabbit, Fox and Bear. That's the set of these guys. If you don't know, Disneyland closed down their ride, the Splash Mountain ride, and I don't know if they changed it already or they're still changing it. But they're changing the ride from Splash Mountain. I don't remember what it's called now. But anyways, this set sold for $499.95. So keep your eye out for these. They've been selling like hotcakes. So if you happen to come across any one of them, you will make some good money because people are still wanting them. Maleficent Dragon. This is a 3 feet tall version of this monster dragon. I've had her in the smaller version. I've gotten like $50, $60 for her. But this, like I said, this is the 3 feet version. It's a monster dragon. I wish I could have this one. I would actually keep this one in my collection. This is cool. There's a Sleeping Beauty tag. Really nice shiny wings on it, and it says it actually has some wear around the edges, so even with wear it sold for $524.99. Another Tailspin plush. This bear is named Cloudkicker. I don't know the difference. I don't know the character names in Tailspin anymore. I know there was I know Baloo the bear is in there, and I think a tiger or something. I don't remember. But there's a whole bunch of different characters, and of course the harder to find ones, like the sidekicks, like this one, and the girl bear. I forgot her name already. Sell for a lot more money than like the main character Baloo. Anyways, this sold for $549, the best offer, and $415 shipping. Oliver and Company. Oliver and Company is a great, a great movie to find plush from. Their plush go for good money. All of the plush from Oliver and Company go for good money, except again the main characters. But if you can find them bigger, they will go for good money. So still keep your eye out. But all the like side characters. This is Rita, and I don't know all the rest of the names, but whenever you see Oliver and Company tag, if I can see the tag, yeah, here's the Oliver and Company tag. Anytime you see that, make sure you look up the plush, because you can be making some good money. This sold for a best offer of $549 plus $21.20 in shipping. So not too bad for, what is it, a 18-inch plush? This is an Epcot Communicore robot. I've never seen this robot before. Thought it was really cool from the Epcot Center. It looks like it even has some dirt on its belly, dirt on its feet. It's dirty. But I guess he's super rare, or people would not have bought him. Let's see right there. Yeah, it's not perfect, but hey, someone got an offer on $600, so I would be happy with that. Not sure what you got. Walt Disney World Park. This is Duffy. This is one of the hidden Mickey bears that you always heard about. Not all of them are huge money getters, but a few of them get you some money. There's a Christmas one that does pretty well. That can get you in a couple of hundreds. This one, of course, is the blue bear that I'm showing you now. But there's a bunch of Duffies that can get you some good money. But like I said, not all. So make sure, if you don't have the space and you're just picking up the plush that you think you can make the most money on, make sure you look it up. This sold for best offer of $599.99 plus $10.90 shipping. 3 more to go. This is from the Little Mermaid. You can see I didn't say anything about Ariel or any of the other characters. It's always the side characters that are so hard to find, that sell for the good money, because they made a limited amount of them thinking that people don't want them. So now that the time has passed, people actually want to collect the whole series, and there's not as many of them out there. So anytime you find a side character or a character that wasn't in a program very often, make sure you look it up. That's one of the things I always do. If I don't recognize a character, you have to look it up. This sold for $600 plus $20 shipping. We have 2 more left. Again, this is another Oliver and Company. This is Einstein. Look at his funny face. He is a 17-inch dog. Again, a side character, not one of the main characters. What is he? He kind of almost looks like Scooby, huh? Look at the side profile. He has like a Scooby-Doo look to him. So, nah. He has his tags. He sold for $800 plus $17.05 shipping. Didn't see the shipping. Alright, the last one, number 1. This is Sulley. This is a Monsters, well, it's a Monsters Inc. monster Sulley from Disney Pixar. He is a huge, oversized monster. I don't know why he's in the trash, it looks like, but hey, they sold him for good money. I've sold a bunch of Sullies before, not more than $100 worth, but yeah, this is, I've never had a 50-inch one either, but he even has some dirt on him, so wasn't perfect. So he probably could have gotten, what, I don't know if you can get more than this. He sold for $950 plus $380 in shipping, so that is kind of insane. Anyways, I will keep doing these as long as people watch. So let me know in the comments what brand you want me to do next. I will do it next week if I get enough votes. But anyways, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. Take care. Catch you in the next video. Bye.